Good afternoon, welcome. It's Anna here, and we are working in the Carol Anna Challenge that we are doing in March 2024. It's me and Carol at the Friendly Quail that are doing a challenge together. The challenge is to make a nature, garden, botanical themed journal, and we are each doing it in our own way. And we have a bunch of prompts or things we are to include in our books. We have writing board, Dutch door, birds, mushrooms, garden gnome, child, bees, dog, cone window, specimen kind, owl, squirrel and stamps. And I have crossed out most of it, and today we are making a writing board. But first I want to show you, I have done a little bit of the cover. On the front I have put a piece of old end paper above the text that was in the label there, so that you can write whatever you like. And I put a tiny mushroom, and I really like the effect of that. I have put some labels on the back, 2 labels and a Swedish stamp. And I have reinforced the spine even more with another fabric and some flower type lace on the back. So the spine is now really nice and secure. It has been extended. From the beginning it was like 1 centimeter and now it is 3. So that is something that I did since the last time we were together. But today we are making the writing board. And I was mad at myself when I was planning this for choosing a landscape style journal, because landscape style is not so easy, because you have to find if you want to make it in landscape style, the writing board as well. And I was looking through my stash and thinking, am I going to do one from scratch from book boards, or am I going to make it from an old book cover? And I went through my stash of old book covers and found the perfect one, of course. Look at this. Isn't it perfect for a nature style journal? Yes, it is. But it's a tad too big, so I started working on this and then realized, no, I have to film this. So I have to cut it down a bit. And it's the perfect thickness. I love this book. This is from another botanical journal, a botanical book, of course, Nordens Flora. I have several of them, and they have different kind of flowers on them, so I want to use this one. So we are going to start by cutting it down a bit, and I actually think that I'm going to cut it down even further than this, so it fits really inside the journal. So I want to have another cutting mat on top of this, because I don't want to hurt it. I have steel ruler and I have a carpet knife. Sorry, I'm a bit scratchy in my throat today. I think my allergies are coming along. Spring is coming, so my allergies are coming. Just getting a sip of coffee before I start. So let's do this. I'm not gonna push very hard. I'm just gonna let my I'm just gonna run my knife in the same. It really doesn't want to go as I do. I'm just running it several times in the same line there. I think I'm almost through. Watching my thumb there. Let's see if I can. Yeah, almost through. So 1 or 2 more times there. No, not quite. There we go. Nice. Nice and straight. So let's see if it fits. It should do. I still haven't sewn in my signatures. This is really nice. Checking if it fits. Yes, perfect to write on that one. Perfect. So I am going to sand it now. Using sandpaper and a piece of wood. I haven't got one of those fancy sanding blocks that everyone seems to have. I have my... This is the way we did it when I was in school. So that's the way I still do it. Sorry for the noise. Rounding the corners a little bit as well. So nice and smooth. Let's just get rid of that as well, or we can have it underneath. So this side I don't want to do anything with because it's perfect just the way it is. It's this side. I have taken off as much of the paper that I could. I will sand this in more later. But what do I want here? At first I thought I was going to use something and keep it in the upright. But I don't. I want to make it into a landscape writing board. And what do I have then? Yes, I have the original book pages, of course. So I just pulled out a page with lots of writing on it. And I thought I was going to glue that down. Like so. And that would be just perfect. A little bit over here maybe. That I should... Maybe I should get another one. Let me see. Because this one tore a bit wonky. Let's do this instead. That's much better. Let's use that one. So my thought here is to use... First I thought I was going to use Mod Podge to stick it down. Then I thought that maybe I won't. I think I will try with my glue stick first. Because it really glues well. If you put a lot of glue on, it sticks really well. I might actually, do a bit of sanding here as well, because I can feel there's a small edge. So I want to smooth that out a bit. Much better. Going to let that go. So let's glue it down. I am using a Tombow Mono Glue Stick Professional as usual, and I will just put plenty of it on today. Really put the glue on. Lots and lots of it. And I will plenty of glue. Going over it once more so that it really sticks. So let's see if we this down here. What's that then? Did I break it? No. Something on top of the paper. So sorry for whispering, not meaning to hide anything from you. So I am flattening this out really good. Like so. perfect. And once again, this will be sanded even more, so the excess page here will go away, and also here. But I like this. And now I want to decorate it, of course. So what do I want to decorate it with then? I have a few fussy cuts and things that I was thinking about using. This is a butterfly. I have a stamp like this, and I stamped it, and now I have cut it out, but I think might be pale. I don't know. Let's put it here. And I have some Tim Holtz ephemera. I have a little butterfly without antennae, so I have to draw them on. I have, yeah, right, I have this one as well. This fussy cut, yellow flower. Really like that one. And I think I want to use that, actually, now that I see it. Since it's a yellow flower on this page, I might want to, on that side, I want to have some yellow on this side as well. So I'm going to start by putting that down, I think. Maybe a few labels. I like the brown one though. That one. Specimen. That one is nice. A bit of number. Sorry. Here's one, field diary, but that's a bit small. Yeah. So let's start by using those maybe. I want to ink. I want to ink this, of course, using gathered twigs and my little makeup brush. I want to start by inking this, because this I am sure I want to use. So I'm just kissing the edge a bit to soften it. Whoa, I am a vigorous inker, so I have to be careful here, so I don't break any of the delicate stems or leaves. Okay. My husband is, if you hear something, it's my husband calling for our son. Yeah, like so. Perfect. Let's ink those as well and see what they look like. I'm not sure where I want to put things though. I think I want to put that behind there a bit. There's a little edge to snip on that one. So I'm gonna draw some antennae on the butterfly later. But first I want to ink it. I think this might be a sticker. So let's position things. I want this one over here, so you see the numbers. I want this mark needs to be covered by something. That's perfect. I want that. Good. So let's start gluing. Now I'm going to use my art glitter glue. and I will start by gluing down this one. So I'm going to use my little tweezers and glue it down. I hope this is running today. I've had a bit of a difficulty starting it this week. Yay, it works. How good. So, and I want to put it behind here, so like there. Then I'm going to take this one. This is a tough one because it's so much small pieces. But we can do it. Nice and slow. So how is everybody doing? I hope you're having a great weekend. It's Sunday and had a bit of sleep in this morning, which was nice. Then I have been catching up on your videos, and I have been taking it easy today, allowing myself to have a nice slow Sunday. I think I'm going to use 2 tweezers, maybe. Whoop. Or my fingers could be better. So I want this like so. And here I want to use some paper towel, of course, to pat it down and to get rid of any excess glue oozing out, because I used quite a lot of glue. I really like this. Oh, so pretty. Happy. Yeah, and let's do this one. And let's see if this was a sticker, or if I maybe just imagine. Yes, it was a sticker. Nice. And we can do this one as well. I think I want this quite do I want it there? I want it. That's perfect. So I'm just gluing and I'm putting it down here. Jag filmar. No, you cannot get ice cream. Pappa ville något. Pappa ville dig något, han ropade. It's just my son, he wants some ice cream, but he already had a cake, so I don't think ice cream is a good idea. So, just making sure that all the little pieces are glued down properly. Yes, I think that's actually quite pretty. And I am now going to see if I can make some fake antennae on the butterfly. 2 little like those, maybe. Yeah, that's good enough. So we are now going to seal this. I am going to use Mod Podge. Let me just get rid of this. And I need a brush. And my Mod Podge. That's right here. Checking how we are for time. I'm gonna Mod Podge this, and then it's gonna have a bit of time drying, so then I can pause you while this is drying. This is always so. I'm just quickly going to run over it. I can see that some of it is actually a bit bubbly, but I won't mind because the bubbles will go down. So, perfect. Now this will have to rest and dry for a while, and for you it will seem like a second, but for me it will probably be a while. So I'll be with you right back. So I'm back and it is now dried. I actually did one more layer of Mod Podge on this, so now there is 2 layers. There are 2 layers, and yeah. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to once again use my sanding block and just do the edges a bit to get rid of the excess paper. So maybe just round the corner a little bit. Just filling my way around here. You could put metallic corners around this, but I don't want to do that. Not in an age journal. So I'm going to get rid of this dust here. And now I am going to ink it. Just filling a bit. There are some small bubbles here, but I don't mind that. It shows that it's handmade. I'm going to ink the edges, and I am going to use Vintage Photo today. So just going around the edges, making sure the ends are covered, at least the edges that are that's not covered in the old, what's it called, old book cover thing paper. So I want to ink it up quite good because that is my style. Lots and lots of ink. This won't take the ink because it's a bit blank, shiny it's called in English. In Sweden it's blank. I could actually do this to really soak in the edges. Yes, now we're talking. I want to do that on those two edges that are, yeah. And then I'm taking the ink over the edge there, like so. Perfect, grungy and nice. I would recommend the next owner of this journal to write on this side, because this is really smooth. Here, of course, since it is a fussy cut, you can feel it. But let's try it out. Let's try it out. Yeah, really like that. That's cute. Nice. So I'm just gonna pause for a second again, because I want to check one thing. Give me a second. I am back. I just wanted to check out my instructions. I've written them down. I was thinking that I would put a little eyelet up here and have some dangles running off it, but then I realized this is a writing board, not something that's supposed to be decorative. Or it's supposed to, but not very decorative, because you have to use it when writing, not for decoration. So I decided against it, but I'm quite pleased with that. Use it when writing. Yeah, so let's cross off our writing board from the list. We are really narrowing it down now. Coin window, the specimen coin window, that will be the next one. And I actually think that I am going to go ahead and do all my machine stitching in here, because I usually do all my extensions and clips and things, and then I sew all my machine stitching at once, because my sewing machine is upstairs, so I don't have energy to run up and down. But I want to do that, and then I will probably sew in the signatures. That will be nice. So that's something I have to do, and then next time we will do some decoration, including a coin window. I think I have some left. I haven't done very many. Yeah, I do. So I will probably dye that somehow, because it's very white, right? And I don't want to destroy the... Yeah, that will be cool. Yeah, that is all for today, my friends. I hope you enjoyed watching me make my little writing board. Very basic and easy. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Give me any ideas, comments, anything down below, or say hi. I will say hi back. And until then, have a great rest of this weekend, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.